I am so disappointed in this place, and I'll tell you why.
Okay, so here's another favorite item that Taco Bell doesn't have anymore, but they have it with red sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I like my bean burrito.
This is Jedis for Jesus, and I'm a Bible-believing Christian. And if you want to find the truth, that is where you look.
So Taco Bell takes away stuff, so you have no other choice to make it at home. So I go ahead and got my onions, my tortillas, cheese, refried beans, and that's the thing that they don't have anymore, green sauce. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some bean burritos, since they don't have it anymore at Taco Bell. And then the other two things sometimes I like to add is lettuce and sour cream. You don't gotta be charged an arm and a leg for the sour cream. So this is my second burrito, and just as good as Taco Bell. If you got any value out of this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when we upload a brand new video. Thank you. This is Jedis for Jesus. Hope to see you one day soon in heaven.